cat linux.txt. Okay, cat DevOps cat AWS cloud.txt. AWS cloud.txt. Do I have two files now? Linux.txt having some data, AWS cloud.txt also having some data. Can I copy Linux.txt, AWS cloud.txt file data into another file? Two files data can I copy to third file? Two files data can I copy to third file? Let's try now. Let's try now. ls-l. Okay, there are three files available. Cat linux.txt, cat linux.txt space, AWS cloud.txt, arrow, ashokit.txt. Do I have a file with a name called ashokit.txt? Do I have a file with a name called ashokit.txt? I don't have it. Now enter. Now let us see ls-l ashokit.txt, cat ashokit.txt. Linux file data came, AWS file data also came. That means, can we copy multiple files data into single file? Is it possible? Copy two files data into single file. What is the command? f1.txt, f2.txt, f3.txt to ashokit.txt. More than one file data copy into another file. If you want to copy one file data to another file, you can use a cat with file name greater than symbol. You can copy more than one file data also into third file. That is also done. Copy two files data into single file. That is fine. So there is another command called cp command is also available just to create a copy of the file. Okay, to create a copy of the file, just to create one copy of the file, we can go for cp command. ls-l ashokit is available na, cp ashokit.txt into f1.txt, ls-l f1.txt also created. So you can use cat command or you can use cp command to copy the file. If you want to copy and paste the file, cp will be used only for one file. If you want to copy multiple files, then you can go for cat command. You can use cat. Either you can use cp for copy or you can use cat also for copy. You can use a cp or you can use cat also for copy. Are you able to understand how to work with the files in the Linux, files and directories in the Linux? Are you able to understand how to work with the files and directories in the Linux today? Cat we can use to copy multiple files. cp we can use for only one file. Copy files. Copy file. You can do the copy using cp f1.txt to f2.txt. Just to copy one file, we can go for cp command. If you want to copy multiple files, then you can go for cat command. All good. Perfect. How to move the file from one directory to another directory? Yeah? Okay. Here you need to use move. What is the directory that we have? /home /ec2 user /Linux. Whatever the content available from this directory, I want to move to /home /ec2 user /DevOps. So if you give move command like this, whatever the content available in this directory, it will move to this directory. That is the move option. Move the data from one directory to another directory. Move command, mv command, we can use to rename the files as well as to move the data from one directory to another directory. rename the files and directories. We can move from one directory to another directory. If you want to do that, mv present directory, directory 1, source directory, I can say source directory, and you can give target directory. If you give the name of the file, present name, new name, this name will be renamed to this name. If you give source directory, target directory, the files from this location will move to this location, source directory and target directory. All good? Perfect. To access the class notes, I already told you the process now, guys. So tomorrow we are going to work with editors in the Linux. How to edit a file, how to edit the files in the Linux, stream editor, VI editor, how to work with editors in the Linux, that we will discuss in the tomorrow session. Once your practice is completed, you can select your instance, AWS instance state, stop it. If you stop it, bill will not be generated. For safety, you can stop it. Next, go to our website. As I told you, go to our website, go to our website and create an account. If you don't have, login. Then in the dashboard you can see Linux course. If you click on